Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 12th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, the US dollar yen did push down pretty decent at the 78%. I've been talking about how this area is likely going to be a pretty good area of resistance. Now, whether or not the whole uptrend is over or not is the question. We have a nice five waves starting right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the question is are we in a pullback to those five waves? Meaning that it will likely go to a fib level and just continue the uptrend, or is it going to go down and give us a 2 hour time frame break of structure, which would confirm possibly a bigger turn? The daily time frame break of structure is right here, which would I think would possibly confirm a much bigger turn. Right now, though, we are definitely still bullish. If you see any kind of a three wave recognizable pullback to a fib level and golf and move up, definitely continue to look for longs. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.